alala mo. Okay?
Okay po. Okay po.
Part of the day one is entry form. You remember? Part of the day one is entry form, right?
Yes po.
Yes. In the entry form, I have announced in the GC that this form is for the entry form.
Okay.
This one, enrollment information.
Okay po.
So when you submit this, it should be in a Word file and label
Mhm.
it enrollment information teacher Leah.
Yes po.
Okay, I'm going to open that now. Can you see it?
Yes po.
Okay. So do not skip because you already had your demo. Don't skip na. Kasi you had na your
Opo.
final demo. Kasi ito,
Okay.
I already sent to you before the demo.
Okay.
So now that
Yes
you're
po.
done with the demo, put the date na.
Okay
Okay?
po.
And then don't skip information, full name, complete address, date of birth, course, major,
Opo.
hobbies. Okay? Zip code, active mobile number, emergency mobile number, contact person, email, etc. Typing speed.
Okay. Excuse me,
Um,
PM.
yes.
May question lang po dun sa Teams ID. Hindi ko po kasi makita yung Teams ID sa account.
No
Sinearch ko
problem.
na po.
Yeah, no
Okay
problem.
po. Thank you.
Kasi connected
Thank
naman
you.
na tayo.
Okay,
Picture,
thank
yung
you.
photo mo should not be more than 10
Apo.
MB. Meaning to say, if
Apo.
it's a heavy file, i-screenshot mo siya. Screenshot
Okay po.
is fine. Okay?
Separate file po na pag-send ng picture,
Sorry?
if I'm not mistaken. If
Ano
I'm not
yun?
mistaken po, TM yan. Separate file pa ang pag-send ng photo or nasa Word file?
Oh, yes. Send in DingTalk too eh. The
Okay po.
picture should
Thank
be
you.
sent in DingTalk, right?
Okay
And
po.
then,
Thank you.
of course, this one is in a Word file.
Okay po.
Okay? So, government ID, send me your ID. Here na rin. Ilagay mo na rin dito.
Okay. Thank you po.
Relevant ESL certificate, screenshot. Send in DingTalk.
Okay.
Okay? Send screenshot in DingTalk. Tapos, do you have a BPI?
Yes po.
Okay, so yan. And then, of course, your regular full-time length of teaching experience from which start date? Anong month? Anong year?
Okay.
Total number.
Yes.
And then
Mhm.
strength description. Actually, ito meron tong now it's newly implemented. It's about IELTS features. I'll send this
Oh,
separately.
okay.
And then itong VOOV link and ID. If I haven't
Yes
sent
po.
you the YouTube on how to convert your personal VOOV to business VOOV, kasi business ang gagamitin natin sa class. Pero
Yes po.
pagka training lang, yung personal VOOV mo. But I'm going to send
Okay.
that to you separately. Okay?
Yes po.
Pagdating dun
Okay po.
sa yung isang file, yung Word file, yung teacher's introduction, ang
Yes
kailangan
po.
ko doon, kasi sasabihin mo, hi, I'm Teacher Leia. I'm an IELTS teacher at Partner English. Yun yung intro mo.
Mhm.
So that's gonna be
Yes.
MP4 video,
Mhm.
yung
Yes
audio
po.
nun, and then yung cover photo nun. I can give you a sample copy of that. Yung nasabit na nung onboarded na
Yes po.
teacher.
Yes po.
If I didn't send you, you can follow up.
Yes po.
So ito yung part ng day one. Yung
Mhm.
this one, enrollment information, pati yung video mo.
Hindi
So
ko po
what's
na-send and follow later po.
sige. So what's important in the video, teacher, is when you record, be familiar with your scripts.
Mhm.
Hindi nagbabasa, look into
Using
your
Move pa rin po.
sorry.
Or pwedeng edit.
Dear,
Using
pwedeng
kapag
patapusin mo
record.
muna. Patapusin mo muna ako bago ka magtanong.
Sorry.
Okay. So what I'm trying to say is when you record your self-intro video, be familiar with your script, sound fluid
Mhm.
because you're going to be an IELTS teacher, sound
Yeah.
welcoming, smiling, look into your camera with hand gestures to
Mhm.
look like you're speaking with them.
Yes.
Ganon, hindi yung binabasa or
Mhm.
memorize,
Mhm.
ganon. So it should look like you're speaking with them
Mhm.
with lighting. And then you
Yes.
have to use the partner English background. Kaya ba
Mhm. Yes po.
yung partner English background?
Yes
Yun,
po.
that's all. So you can access your DingTalk in your PC already.
Yes. Yes po.
Okay, now your question, dear.
Um, can I use other than VooV for recording po, no video or required VooV po?
Uh, you can use the best would be TikTok.
Okay. Okay.
You can use
Thank you.
TikTok. Yeah. So,
Okay.
but you need to generate the MP3. Kasi video
Okay.
lang yun, right?
Yes po.
Tapos meron pa yung, meron siyang, how do you call that? Watermark. Tatanggalin mo yon.
Mhm.
Then you need
Yes.
to check how to remove the watermark. Unlike kasi
Okay.
in VooV kasi, when you record, so you use your Drive C, right? Your internal file,
Mhm.
local
Mhm.
file.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
once you generate the recording, it generates into 5 files, I think. So isa doon
Mhm.
is MP4 and MP3. It's very easy.
Yes.
But then,
Mhm.
why do you have a problem with your group?
Ano lang po, I don't know po kasi high-end po 'di ba yung ano po, VooV na application, high-end po siya.
What do you mean by high-end yung VooV application?
Kasi po sa laptop ko or baka headset po yung may problem, may naririnig po akong konting ano po, tunog, background na tunog po ba.
Okay. So cannot you edit the sound of the generated
Um,
MP3 and MP4?
I can edit naman po.
So if that's easier, I suggest you use VooV.
Yes, okay po.
If not, you can use others. Kaya lang
Yes po,
baka mas
okay po.
marami kang steps na gagawin. Like
Yes po,
remove
okay po.
this and this, you know what I mean? Unlike
Mhm.
kung full
Yes po.
play na.
Yes po.
Or Zoom pwede rin. Basta
Yes po.
it can have the MP4 and MP3.
Mhm.
Okay? So this
Okay.
is part of day one. And I believe I asked you about sensitive issue result.
Mhm, yes.
Wala ka pa
Yes.
doon.
Parang hindi ko pa po nagawa po iyon
So nasa day
or I
one ka
don't
pa
know.
rin. Tama ba? Nasa day one
Um,
ka pa rin?
Tapos na po ako sa day one or baka hindi ko lang po siguro natandaan. Tapos na po ako sa day one.
I'm going to show it to you ha, yung day one. Kasi kung tapos ka na sa day one, nadaanan mo na yun.
Yes po, baka hindi ko lang po natandaan. About
Okay,
yung may mga Taiwan po, parang gano'n po ata yun, yung mga
yes.
violations. Yes po.
That's
So,
sensitive
done na po.
rules. Natapos mo na,
Yes po.
teacher, kailangan mong matandaan. Because
Yes po.
especially that one, why I'm looking for that, it's because, okay, look at what I'm clicking. Learn, babalik ka. So I have several because I
Mhm.
assign these courses. But yours, it's this one, correct?
Yes.
So this is your map, and then you enter
Mhm.
that. Ito yun.
Yes po. Yes.
So pag 100% na to, you can like click that. I cannot go forward it. I finished this because this one
Yes
is a
po.
new version. I finished this in the
Mhm.
previous version. So, nandito ka pa lang. Wala ka pa
Okey
dito?
po. Sa day one tapos na po ako ng until VooV navigation po.
Hindi mo lang siya
Opo.
matandaan kung ano yon.
Pero puwede ko po siyang balikan for review purposes?
You can click yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
send that
you.
to me. So kasi with that, Teacher Leia, I can already onboard you.
Mhm.
You get it?
Mhm.
So while you are
Okay, okay.
learning the rest of the map, you are already
Mhm.
doing onboarding.
Okay.
Uh, so at what time do you
Okay.
think I can receive your recording?
Actually, nasa city po ako until 5 p.m. po ako dito kasi kasama ko po yung ate ko po, nagpa-check up po. And then, bibili po ng gamit for the baby kasi manganganak na rin po. So, mga 6 po ako nasa bahay na po ako. So, around 6 to 7 po, I'll try to send.
Uh, okay, but remember our cooperation is you said you're available, you remember, for training.
Mhm.
It's
Yes po.
5-day training, Teacher
Yes.
Leia.
It was just today po nagkaroon ng process.
Okay, and then I mentioned if you're going to pause, just like what you're doing now, you need to coordinate with me to realign the 5-day training. You should inform
Mhm.
me whenever you
Mhm.
pause. Otherwise, I'm
Okay.
expecting all the trainees, all in Learning Map, to be submitting. Yours kahapon
Mhm.
pa wala eh. I mean,
Na-finish
no,
ko po sa midnight.
during the day, wala akong nakukuha. Kaya meron akong question sa'yo, are you there?
Mhm. Okay.
So, moving forward, how do we collaborate? You have something else, inform me. And say,
Okay.
for day one submissions, I can submit this before midnight. You
Okay.
get it?
I'm sorry
So
for
let's
my
say today, uh, I
mhm.
cannot submit during the day, but I'll make sure to submit
Mhm.
this before midnight.
Yes, okay.
Yung timeline mo, kung anong oras mo siya masasubmit.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just send me your timeline. And then I'll tell you if
Okay.
it's workable or not.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay? Sige, ganon. Ganon tayo magko-coordinate. May
Okay
questions ka,
po.
Teacher Leia?
Nothing so far po.
Okay, thank you so much for accepting my call, and then I'll wait for your